You wake up feeling heavier than you did before. Each joint creaks like an old hinge that's never been oiled properly. The stiffness lingers, not just in your knees or lower back, but deep in your shoulders, elbows, wrists, as if your body's frame is resisting its own weight. You've tried soft pillows, topical creams, turmeric tea, even those miracle gadget massages, but the relief never lasts. You ask yourself if this is just part of getting older, a fact of life nobody warned you about. But what if it isn't? What if the real answer isn't hidden in another pill or device, but in something as ordinary as fruit? Imagine foods that whisper to your body, "Let me help." Not empty promises, but gentle support, nourishing your foundations, rebuilding collagen, easing inflammation from the inside out. Because here's the truth nobody sells. Age-related aches and creaks aren't just wear and tear. They're often signals, cries for structural support, nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants your body used to get effortlessly from food. Let me tell you about Davina, 72, who every morning woke up feeling trapped in her own limbs. She loved her garden, tending hibiscus and jasmine petals, but bending and kneeling stirred pain that forced her to retreat to the porch. She tried stretching, patches, creams, ginger tonic. Little helped. One afternoon at the local fruit market, she spotted a golden papaya stall, ripe, fragrant, untouched. Curious, she wondered, could this simple fruit hold the answer? That evening, she cut the papaya in half, revealing vibrant orange flesh, slick and juicy. She took a spoonful and paused, struck by its light, tropical sweetness. Next day, she added chunks to yogurt. Day 3 to her breakfast smoothie. By week 1, she noticed her knees didn't sound like rusty hinges any longer. By the end of 2 weeks, kneeling in her garden felt soft and even enjoyable. Her skin, once dry and paper-like, began to glow with subtle warmth. But it wasn't magic. It was real. Papaya offers vitamin C, the cornerstone for building collagen, the protein that keeps your skin elastic, your joints flexible, your tissues firm. Paired with papain, the enzyme that reduces inflammation and aids digestion, this fruit becomes a natural therapy. Throw in vitamins A and E for cell repair, potassium for heart health, fiber for digestion, and you have a whole food healing package. Dr. Rao, a senior wellness specialist, confirms, for older adults, daily papaya intake, about half a fruit, supports connective tissue repair, eases joint pain, and even enhances skin texture within a month. Davina's ritual took shape. Each evening, she'd place half a papaya in her bowl, cover it gently, then wake to its fresh scent. She added mint, sometimes a squeeze of lime, letting each bite feel like a small celebration of self-care. She'd close her eyes, savoring the moment before sunrise, feeling her body respond. It became more than nutrition, it became reconnection. Her neighbors noticed her step felt lighter, her once dull cheeks had warmth. But for Davina, the sweetest part was this. She felt hold of her body again, instead of battling it. What's more, papaya's enzyme and antioxidant combo isn't something you can bottle or package. It's alive, best fresh, gently warmed at most to preserve papain. You don't need powders or pills. You just need fruit in a morning ritual that feels like a gift to yourself. Now imagine layering that with another fruit, like ruby red pomegranate. It became Davina's evening ritual. She'd cut it slowly, seed by seed, revealing glossy arils, each one a burst of sweet tart clarity. The ritual itself nurtured mindfulness, patience. These seeds are rich in collagens and polyphenols, natural defenders of collagen and joint health. Dr. Sen, a rheumatologist, shared that patients using fresh pomegranate seeds report decreased morning stiffness and a reduction in creaking joints within 3 weeks. Davina added them to her papaya bowl or enjoyed them alone, savoring flavor and purpose. Picture this. Your morning begins with papaya's warmth, followed by midday joy in a berry smoothie, culminating in pomegranate's evening glow. With each fruit, you're weaving a natural tapestry, colorful, nutritious, healing. This isn't fad. It's food wisdom rooted in structural support your body forgot it needed. Stand back and imagine Davina again, moving through her garden bed, planting seedlings, kneeling without hesitation. Bridge the gap between stiffness and ease, between aging and vitality. See yourself there. Is it easy? Yes. Is it free of shortcuts? Definitely not. It's steady, daily, intentional, no gadgets, no subscriptions, just fruit, rituals, and your body responding in kind. Tonight before bed, try this ritual. Slice half a papaya or separate a small bowl of pomegranate seeds. Place them nearby. Tomorrow morning, begin with that fruit. Taste the texture, notice the aroma. Let it slow your pace, open your senses, and signal care to your body. Feel those seeds of connection rekindle. Because collagen support doesn't come from a jar. It comes from what lives, grows, ripens, and nourishes. You've already taken the first step by listening. Let each bite guide you back to ease. Let each fruit you discover be a whisper of renewal. Stick with it, because real change doesn't shout. It unfolds gently every day. Stay with me. Next, I'll take you through berries, those vibrant defenders of collagen, inflammation, and youthful glow. Each one holds a story. Each one holds a shift. And soon you'll feel them all. This isn't just another video. It's the start of reclaiming your body's natural rhythm, one delicious ritual at a time. So here's what we discovered today. Your body isn't breaking down just because of age. It's calling out for nourishment, for care, for something real. And sometimes the answer isn't in medicine, but in nature's quiet gifts. We saw how a fruit as simple as papaya can ease joint stiffness, boost your skin's glow, and support your body from the inside. Not with empty hype, but with real enzymes, vitamins, and healing nutrients your body understands. We met Davina, who went from stiff mornings and sore knees to peaceful gardening and glowing skin, all by starting a ritual with papaya in the morning and pomegranate at night. No miracle, just patience, just presence. And that second fruit, pomegranate, wasn't just tasty, it became a symbol of mindfulness, of gentle repair. Seed by seed, she felt her joints come back to life. Her steps became lighter and her energy brighter. This is your invitation, not to overhaul your life, but to start small, with fruit, with ritual, with care. You don't need expensive gadgets or painful treatments, just a fresh slice, a daily choice, and the willingness to reconnect. Because healing isn't loud. It doesn't rush. It comes quietly, one bite at a time. Stay with this. And soon your body won't just thank you. It will remember what it feels like to move freely, to feel whole again.